Hello. If you have a Mercedes-Benz with a M270 engine and it makes a rattling noise during a cold start, this noise is often caused by failure of one or both camshafts variable adjusters. This video will demonstrate an easy way to troubleshoot if the noise is being caused by the variable adjusters. First step, remove the top engine mount to gain access to the camshaft position magnets and remove both, this way you can see both adjusters. Second step, remove the right front wheel and the plastic cover to gain access to the crankshaft pulley. Third step, use a ratchet wrench to turn the crankshaft clockwise several times, while watching both adjuster. Look for any slippage between the center bolt and outer side of the adjuster. You can see the intake camshaft adjuster, in the left of the image. It slips a few times and is a perfect example of a bad adjuster. Thanks for watching.